Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying no voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once confirmed, remove the pendant's shade and unscrew the canopy while supporting the weight so nothing falls. Next, expose the junction box and take photos of existing wire connections for reference. Make sure to label hot, neutral, and ground if wires aren't color-coded. Then unhook the fixture's wires and set the pendant aside, leaving the box and mounting surface ready for the new spotlight hardware. Once the box is clear, mount the spotlight's bracket to the junction box using the supplied screws so the bracket sits flush and level. Next, connect ground to ground first, then join neutral to neutral and hot to hot. Twist wires together and cap with rated connectors. This prevents loose connections. After wiring, tuck connections neatly into the box and position the spotlight base over the bracket. Make sure alignment is correct, and tighten mounting screws evenly to avoid stress on the box or fixture. With the fixture secured, install the recommended bulb and any trim pieces, then restore power at the breaker and switch it on. You should see immediate illumination. If the beam needs adjusting, loosen the pivot, aim the head, and red item. If you experience flicker or weak light, make sure connections are tight, the bulb matches fixture specifications, and any dimmer is compatible. If nothing powers up, turn the breaker off and retest voltage at the box. Then recheck your switch and wire terminations before calling a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.